Namaste. Hi there. I'm Mo, and it's truly my pleasure to spend time with you and teach you how to shrink feelings that make you afraid and create a wonderful feeling of safety in its place. Good morning, wonderful being. It's my pleasure to be with you this morning. Come on, wake up. Let's get your day started with a superhero state of mind.
When you're lying in your bed at night and the room is dark, sometimes your mind will play a game called Let Me Scare You. And as your mind plays Let Me Scare You.
Good evening, beautiful being. It's my pleasure to be with you as you prepare to a night of peaceful sleep.
All you have to do is squeeze the finger you point with like this. By the way, the pointer finger is also called the index finger. And as you squeeze your index finger until it throbs,
Which means you get to be the boss of your imagination and your mind.
march touching opposite hand to opposite knee as we lovingly command, wake up brain, wake up. Wake up brain, wake up. Wake up.
Now please extend your hands up toward the ceiling, crossing your hands at your wrists.
I am who I say I am. I can be who I say I can be, and I can do what I say I can do because my gift to me is peace. Air high five.
All you have to do is use our superhero sign language and touch your thumb to your middle finger on both hands, and you then say, "Not me, not mine," like this. Let's practice, shall we? Please sit comfortably and close your eyes.
Good night, you wonderful being. You really are a superhero of your mind, and I just love being able to end the day with you.
The one great thing I promise to do for myself today is... Please fill in the blank. What is the one great thing you would like to do for yourself today? Remember, our minds have magnetic powers, and whatever we see in our minds, we can magnetically pull into our lives.
All you have to do is use your superhero sign language and say, "Not me, not mine," or "So me, so mine." Now, air high five. Go be great.